Nightingale. A king in China lived in a beautiful palace. In the forest behind the palace lived a small nightingale. It sang very sweetly. The king told his people to bring the nightingale to the palace.
"Please sing a song for me, little bird,"
he said. The nightingale sang a sweet song. The king liked her sweet songs very much. So, he kept the nightingale in his palace. Every day, the nightingale sang to the king and the people. They clapped with joy. Everyone was happy. One day, someone sent a very pretty toy nightingale to the king. It could sing sweetly. Everyone loved the toy nightingale. They made it sing again and again. They forgot the real nightingale. She was sad and flew back to the forest. Then, one day, the toy nightingale broke. It could not sing any more. The king was very sad. He fell ill. One day, as he lay in bed, he heard the real nightingale's song at his window. He was happy and got well.
"Thank you, little nightingale,"
he said.
"Please come and sing for me every day."
The bird promised to come and sing for the king every day.